Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll guide you to how to remove restriction from WeChat account, or if WeChat has temporary banned you or temporarily restricted you from the using WeChat account. This video will help. Watch the video to end so that you not miss any steps. Let's start. So if WeChat has restricted your account, let me show you something. When you send a message like this, hi, see there's a red something which means the message didn't go. It means your account has been restricted. So to remove the restriction, we see read more or learn more. You click on the learn more. And you click on the learn more. If you're new to the channel, can you subscribe to the channel? Watch the video to end so that you not mix any steps. So you come here, you see your account is restricted from using the following features due to violation. So here they say you have violated WeChat policy. So you click remove. You see here, you click remove restriction. You click it. And here you type the number that you use to register the WeChat or the WeChat. So here you search for the country number or the number that you use, the country code. So you search. After you finish, you type the number here, the number that you use to register the WeChat. So you type it here. Click next. So they will send you a code for you to verify. So they send you a code for the number you use to register the WeChat. So you wait for the verification code. Yes, the number is in. So you type in the number. You type in the number. You type in the number. We click next. You see here it is asking you select method. Ask a friend to assist you for verification. Here you can click here and tell your friend to assist you, or verify SMS number. So which one you want, you choose. So let's choose the first one. So you choose verify SMS. You click here. Here they will send you a code through the number that you use to register the code. So this is the code. So you enter the code here. Click next. Yes, you see normal account status. You can use all the SSS, which means you click got it. Yes, which means your restriction has been lifted. So this is how to remove. Let me show you something. You click hi. Good. You see there's no red arrow on it, which means your restriction has been removed. So this is how to remove restriction from WeChat account when you have been restricted from using WeChat. Can you subscribe to my channel? Bye bye.